Okay, my name is John Craig, and this is my Creativework2. I'm going to build a project with flutter run. Alright, for my first demo, I looked at the animated container stateful widget and played around with the animations a little bit. With this little interface here, I can set an animation such as decel, increase the size of the box, change the animation time, and change the color of the box. I get a nifty little animation there. And if I do a different animation and a different color, and make it a little smaller, and turn the time down a little bit, see that there. Alright, and then for my second part, I worked with the camera. And as you can see, I can get a little camera preview here, and then take a picture. Alright, going back to the preview, and that is it.